Hi there, I'm excited to have you here again. I'm Oluwakemi and this is question 11 Economics WASSCE exam 2018. Which of the following is true about the supply of land? Remember that in economics, land is one of the factors of production and the supply of land is fixed. Okay, so with this, let us go to the question again. Which of the following is true about the supply of land? A is higher in the urban than rural areas. We know that this is not true because the supply of land in the urban is usually less when compared to the supply of land in the rural areas, where you even have large expanse of land that is even used for agricultural purpose. Okay, good. So the second option, which says varies with time. Land, you cannot come to say like land in 1960 is more you can't say that when in 1960, now that we are in 2018, we have more supply of land. This is not true. Okay, it is fixed. The supply of land is fixed. Then what about the third option? Rises with demand. Would the supply of land increase in quantity when the demand is high? No, not at all. Why? Because the supply of land is fixed. Land as a factor of production is fixed in supply. So that comes to the fourth answer option, which says the supply of land is fixed. So that is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.